Very good evening friend, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Abhinav and today I'm going to introduce my new device, which is OnePlus 7T. I know you know all things about this device, what its processor is, what its RAM configuration, what is its graphics card and all, and blah blah blah, all things you know, because there are a lot of great YouTubers who's just going to explore this device before me. But today the thing is that why I'm here, because our purpose is to use smartphone as useful as, because we want a lot of tweaks in our smartphone which makes our life simpler and easier. So today my video is depend upon Oxygen OS, because Oxygen OS is not at all explorable thing, because not there are not a lot of OnePlus devices are there. So that's why I'm here with Oxygen OS, because right now it is a boom. OnePlus just boosts its selling this figure from it's very profitable right now, and they are offering a lot of prizes, like right now there is some 50-year anniversary sales going on, so you can grab this device at the rate of 34,000. It's really very amazing deal. But first of all, let me introduce this device, which is 8GB and 256GB variant. So let's start with the app which I am using just to perform the thing, that makes our life more easy and more usable. So the thing is that first of all, I just hate this notch. I'm really pretty sure most of the guys who are using OnePlus which are not fond of this notch. So how to hide this notch, or how to convert this screen into full screen? Because in my previous device, which is Huawei device, there is an option to convert this notch into a rectangular figure. So here there's an app whose name is Notch, which is easily available on Google Play Store. So once you are into this app, just install this app. You have found this kind of icon in your status bar, your notification panel. So just click on this and bingo, your OnePlus is converting into fully rectangular device. It's very useful when you are scrolling the thing, you are using an app and you want you just want to get rid of this not so beautiful notch. So this is very good app if you want to use. One thing I notice whenever I purchase a new device, I am just jump to the two section. One is the camera section and another one is the music of any phone. So right now the problem what I was facing is that there is no any pre-default or maybe OnePlus music player installed in this device. So right now I installed one music player which is very good, because it is Huawei patented music player. You can get this from Huawei store, or maybe you can search it on Google Play. If you want link in description, just comment below, I just provided to you. So the best feature of this app is you have a party mode, you have a lyrics mode, and as well as you have a schedule thing, so that if you want to sleep around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, you can just schedule it, so it just go into sleep without giving any reminder and wrong. This is very cool. Also when you play the thing, you have a separate lyrics section, and the equalizer is very good, and the interface you can choose a lot of skins. Just like right now I'm just using universe theme, so there are a lot of themes, cool themes here, so you can check this out. Okay friend, let's heading towards app number 3. I think so this is the most useful app nowadays, because there are a lot of peoples come in contact with you, because as per me, in which profession I am, I have to interact with a lot of peoples. So most of the times I don't remember, I don't collect to save their number and store their number with their names. So what I do, I just if I want to drop them a message, I just use this app, which is very unique app, whose name is Click to Chat. You can just fill the number here, and you can just send directly. There is option send now, send later, so you can send directly any message without saving the contact. It's very useful, which save your phone memory as well, and your privacy too. As there is a third app which is the Unseen app. I think so it is also very useful, because if you don't want your boss to check out that you are online or offline, so this is the best app. You can check that message without without let them know that you are online or at what time you have the last seen. So this is very good app. It works on almost all the social networking, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp Messenger as well. So this is very unique thing, and you can use, and I think so you just fall in love with the interface and all things, because the notification and all things are very cool stuff. Let's talk about the fifth app. I have that fifth app, which is I mentioned in my Hindi version of this video, but right now the thing is that what I'm explaining to you is the most useful feature of Oxygen OS, is that if you want to hide an app, so you have to just there are two options to hide the thing. First of all, you have to just drag the thing. Sorry, it's getting back. First of all, you have to drag this thing, so there is a hidden space over there. But if you want to play some smart move, so just click this thing. There is an edit option, so you can change the logo and name as well. It is very unique feature, I think, which is provided by OnePlus team, because this is available only on Oxygen OS. I have used a lot of OS, but there is no any feature like this, and I trust me, it is very helpful when someone is around, when your kids are playing games. You just change the thing. Yeah, whenever you don't want to use the YouTube, or someone tries to communicate with your WhatsApp, so just change the logo and just get rid of all the things. So thanks for watching this video. I try to minimize the length of the video, that's why I'm just skipping a lot of things. So if you want anything from OnePlus Oxygen OS, just ping me down in my comment section. I am really very grateful to reply you all the queries. And if you want some video or any apps which you are thinking about, so just let me know. Once I finish the thing, finish exploring this device, I just prepare another video for some new cool apps. Have a great day. Thanks for watching this video.